Everyone has pictures that last a lifetime, but people get busy and don't have time to hang them up. Instead of letting your pictures go to waste unseen, fix that with festive frames. Festive frames allow you to get a customizable frame perfect for any occasion. You can create your own design on our website or select a frame from our pre-made designs. Our unique triangle frames add a fun aesthetic to your average looking walls, and we also carry square frames too. These unique frames are great for any occasion. Get them for a birthday, holiday, date, or retirement. All of your occasions are important to us here at Festive Frames. Order a frame now for your teacher as a gift. Have a kid going off to college? Use a festive frame to decorate their dorm. Even celebrities like Floyd Mayweather love our product. Now let's hear a word from a customer.
I love customizable festive frames. They're perfect for my room, and I just love them because they're perfect for gifts, and you can put anything on them, including my favorite, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
Our square frames cost $4 and the triangle ones are $3. Customization options are $1, and if you print from our website www.festiveframes.com, we'll print your pictures for an additional 50 cents. Now with this limited time TV offer, you could order a set of 15 festive frames, 8 triangle and 7 square for just $29.99. Just pay additional shipping and handling. That's right, order your festive frames today for just $29.99. 15 frames? What a deal! Don't miss out on this special offer. Call or order online at www.festiveframes.com or 1-800-FESTIVE. That's 1-800-337-8483. Put your memories on display with Festive Frames. Call now.